Hey guys, it is me. I am here because I wanted to do a little unboxing. Sorry for the shaky camera. I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm going to be trying to make the best of the situation. Everything that I have is packed right now, mostly because, yeah, it should be in a box because movers are coming in like 2 weeks to take all of our stuff and transport it to Japan. So my tripod, my ring light, all that good stuff, packed away. Okay. So yeah, tutorials should resume probably in September, if not October for sure. And I'm so excited to do that with y'all because I have missed that so much. Okay, so this is the Darn Good Yarn of the Month box. I've upgraded and I got the 3 and I believe it's under 30 bucks to do that. So for those of you who don't know, I worked with Darn Good Yarn for 2 months this year doing 4 patterns for them. So this month, June's month, and then July's month as well. So I'm super excited to share these with you. I'm not going to spoil July's for you because that one hasn't shipped yet. This one took a really long time to get here because they had an issue with their supplier. Something happened. But it is gorgeous. And the 2 patterns that I designed, I hope that you love them. One is crochet and one is knit. So let's crack it open and see what we got. Okay, so this month, Darn Good Yarn of the Month has a beautiful olive leaf. This is a gorgeous green with some topaz hues going through it. It is lovely. And this is a lace weight yarn, a 2-ply lace weight in a 0 lace weight. So each one you get 100 yards, 50 grams. So if you upgraded to the big box like I did, then you get 3, so you have 300 yards. Now, and then you also got a free gift, which this month is the little Doreen box stitch markers. These are so cute. I love the kitty cats. I have some others that are Doreen box, and they're little daisies, and they are absolutely awesome. I feel like these are just for crochet. I could be wrong. Actually, no. These look like a big enough hole that you could actually use them for crochet or knitting for your stitch markers. So this month is olive leaf, and all of Darn Good Yarn's yarn is made from recycled silk and upcycled things. So this month I did the Saguaro Nights scarf, which is the crochet pattern. I would show you the original, but it's actually packed up right now. So you need 1 skein of this yarn here. So if you did upgrade, then you could totally do both patterns that are in here because each one takes 1. So this one is inspired by Hestia, goddess of home and hearth. Each month they're going through and they're doing they're featuring a goddess every month, which I really love how they're doing that. So the thing about the Saguaro Nights scarf is when I submitted it, the deadline was so short that there were a couple of teensy errors in it. It didn't get caught in testing when people did the pattern here. So unfortunately, this is incorrect. So what I have done is I have upgraded on my Ravelry, an actual pattern that you can use. If you have purchased the Darn Good Yarn of the Month set, or a skein, or a 3 skein set from them and got this pamphlet, let me know and I will go ahead and send you the link to the updated pattern and send you a code to get that for free. That way you get the pattern and you don't have a ton of stress when you're trying to make it. And then of course the second pattern that I designed is the Daydream Shawlette. It is the knit pattern and it is a pie shawl. I wish I really hadn't packed this away yet because it is so pretty. I'll have to add in pictures and show you. But you get this really cute little lace shawlette. And honestly, I think I might take these 3 skeins and turn into one big Daydream shawl because it's such a fun construction. It is such a fun construction. I love that the pie shawl, uses just doubling your stitches every so often, and it's super, super easy to do. So yeah, and once again, thank you all so much for letting me work with Darn Good Yarn. They are an awesome company to work with if you are a designer, and they're really, really great for artisans in general because they have such great product. And look at that pretty artwork. Isn't she gorgeous? I really, really love this one. So yeah, so we'll wait until July's box comes, and then you get to see the 2 patterns that I designed for that. Here's a hint. One's a little bit beachy, and then one's something to wrap yourself in comfort. So those I have not packed away yet, and I'm going to try to keep those out as long as I can. So whenever I do this, I can show you the prototypes. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!